Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer automation rules from HubSpot to Zapier, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer automation rules from HubSpot to Zapier, begin by log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the automation section. Select the specific workflow or automation rule you want to transfer. Review the settings and triggers of your selected rule. Take detailed notes on the conditions, actions, and timing associated with the rule. Next, log into your Zapier account to create a new Zap. Click on Make a Zap at the top right corner of the screen. Choose a trigger app in Zapier that aligns with the action in your HubSpot rule. Set up the trigger configurations and test the trigger to ensure it works correctly. Now, select the action app that matches the next step in your automation. Define the specific actions based on your previous notes from HubSpot. Use the drop-down menus and fields to map the HubSpot fields to the corresponding fields in Zapier. If necessary, add filters or additional actions to refine your Zap. Test each action step to verify that the automation flows smoothly. Once the Zap is tested and working as intended, give it a descriptive name. Finally, turn on the Zap to activate your newly created automation. You have now successfully transferred your automation rules from HubSpot to Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.